I know we live in a time where everybody likes everything quickly. So to get the best final results from a mini implant, the consultation is required, and you can sometimes have that implant placed the same day, but the restoration on the implant will probably be a temporary restoration because the crown is not already in the office. So we would take impression of the implant once placed, and we would place a temporary crown on the implant the day of. And you probably will wait 2 to 3 weeks for a permanent crown, and then you come back and we can finish the implant. So ordinarily, a maximum of 3 days is all it takes to finalize replacing that tooth. 3 days. However, you can, on the day of, receive an implant and restoration without walking out with a missing tooth.